Hey y'all, so this may or may not be a gatekeeping video. I think it's normal, but what I think is normal may not be normal for some. And I may be putting somebody onto something. If I am, have your way with it. If I'm not, just let it ride. So I'm a very frugal person, so I like to do everything for the low or for free. And I like to get the best deals. So this is my way of branding on a budget. So I buy shirts at a discounted price because I like fitted shirts, camis, long sleeve, all of those things. And I get somebody to put my logo on the shirts. I get my shirts from Rainbow, City Trends, DD's, Ross, anywhere I can find shirts, I get them. So that's what I'm going to show y'all. In a previous video, you may have seen that Double Digit Diamonds did some travel stuff for me. Well, I went to her and I told her what I wanted on some shirts, and she did a bunch of different fonts with my logo, and that's what I'm going to show y'all. So I purchased these shirts from random stores. I gave them to her. She put the logo on there. And as you can see, some of the shirts still have their tags on them. Most of them should still have the tags. But once she put the logo on it, she put them in a plastic bag. So let me open them up and show y'all. Alright, this is a cami with Sincerely Angie logo here, the feather, and then the website at the bottom. And like I said, these are brand new shirts. This one was from Walmart for probably $1, I think. Let me see. Maybe $1. This one, $3 from City Trends. And I got Sincerely Angie on it. I wanted white print, so I just put that little note on there for her. I like my shirts fitted. Like, I don't like the crew neck shirts, so that's why I get all different types. So again, Sincerely Angie on the website. I put colors on here because I wanted specific colors on certain shirts, but the other ones I let her freestyle. Again, $3. This is by Splash, I think. Oh, yeah, this is a Splash shirt. And it's tight fitting. I like my rolls to show. Like, I like my love handles to show out. I don't want the oversized shirt, you know, the crew. I don't like that. This is a long sleeve shirt, so when the winter comes. And then I like my girls to show, so the V-neck. This one was from DD's, and it was 99 cents. The price says faded, but you can't see. So 99 cents, long sleeve. This is another cami from DD's. That's so nice of her to put everything in these plastic bags. That's too cute. This one, another DD's. I can't tell what the price was, but probably 49 cents or 99 cents. This one, you can kind of see the Sincerely Angie. It's in a darker color. These she freestyled. She put her own coloring on it, so it's a tan color shirt with brown, and then this is a darker brown on that as well. I think this is another long sleeve shirt. Yes, it is. Another long sleeve shirt. And this was $2.49. The price is faded, but it was $2.49. This one was $2.99 from DD's. Is this Splash? No, it's Heart and Hips is the brand. And there's nothing wrong with the gilding shirts. I don't mind them, but I like a variety of sizes and styles, so that's the reason why this is my favorite color. Look at that. She knows. I didn't even tell her to put blue on this one, and she did on this gray shirt because these are my favorite colors. And this one was $2 from City Trends. It's by Love Nation. I think this one is another long sleeve shirt. Yes, it is. Oh no, this is not. It's like a bluish gray color shirt with like hot pink coloring on it. Like I said, the fonts are all different. And then lastly, I found this at Rainbow. This is a sweater. So now I have my logo on a sweater. And I'm going to show you how much the sweater was. But this is Sincerely Angie with the website. And this is a sweater that was $3 at Rainbow. So it has the hoodie, or I should say a hoodie because that's what it's called. It's a crop top hoodie. Cropped hoodie. with everything on it. So yeah, this is how I brand on a budget. Thank you, Double Digit Diamonds.